Startni broj slomoćan sastav Arke kojeg ćemo Gooikse Pijl, ali Eduardo Zamperini. Tu številki.
Kan je niet staan? Van Moses in de leader group. Jezus, blijft hij joh. Godver. Ik uitgaan en... Wish it before. Oh, dit is moeilijk. Perfect, bijna.
Oded Kogut, congratulations. You had your first professional victory here in Croatia exactly 1 year ago. How does it feel to win again here?
Thank you. Wow. Yeah, it feels amazing. I had another victory 2 weeks ago, more or less, and now doing the second for my season here again. Yeah, of course, make me love this city and this country a lot.
And you had a great season. What are the plans for the future?
Of course, getting better and better, winning some bigger races with the team, and yeah, just making it to maybe winning Tour de France stage one day.
And so we can expect you here for the stage 6 next year.
Yeah, I hope so. I really enjoy this race, and I hope to come again next year.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congrats, Brandon. You're victorious here in Croatia for second year in a row. Can you talk us through this year's race?
Yeah, we knew the most important day was stage 4 with this hard climb, so we knew we just had to stay safe and then take time there. And then the last 2 days was again just making it through. And then today was kind of a bit miserable, but in the end it was okay. So it was nice to win.
You had a great season, and what are the key objectives for the next season?
Well, I haven't even thought about this yet. Now just time to rest, and then I'll think about this maybe in December.
And which memories will you carry from Croatia?
Maybe this super steep climb. It was really hard, but it was also nice to go solo there. So it was a good memory.
Can we maybe expect you here for a vacation?
We'll see. It's the rest of the week was really nice. Not like today if it's raining, but when it's nice and sunny, it's a beautiful place.
Thank you very much, Brandon.
Thank you.